Alright, so here's how I separate my laundry. I just do whites and then colors and then darks and then like more delicates and underwear and stuff like that. So that's kind of how I separate stuff out. And yeah, I'm going to put this batch into the washer right now. So this is the only issue with having a rechargeable vacuum. You just forget to charge it. That's just basically the thing. And it's like now I need to vacuum and it's dead. So now it's charging and it takes a while to charge. It's very annoying, so I'm gonna have to vacuum later on in the day and I'm just gonna have to wait. There's nothing I can do about it. So that's the one downside to having a freaking rechargeable vacuum, because I'd rather have this than have the ones with the cord, because it's really hard to keep track of the cord. So it's very convenient, but at the same time, I just need to remember to charge it the day before I'm gonna clean or something. Anyways, I'm gonna go shower and then I'm gonna head out to grocery shop. Alright, so I'm about to head to the grocery store, but before I do, I usually like to write a list, because when I go to the grocery store, I like to just be in and out. I don't like to spend too much time in there. So I'm going to start writing my list. I usually just go through my fridge, and also the way I meal prep, I kind of create a meal plan for myself. I'm going to talk more about my whole meal prep process in another video. I'll do a whole video about meal prepping, like how I've been meal prepping. But generally, I already have a meal plan, so I basically just take all the things that I need and make a list from what I plan to make. And so I'm going to just go through my fridge and see what I have, and then make my grocery list so I can go and buy groceries. Also, it's raining outside right now. I don't know, every single time I try to film this video, there's always some type of weather. Last time it was snow, today it's like fully pouring the whole day. So I'm going to grab my umbrella and go out. So since I live in the city and I don't have a car, so when I go grocery shopping, if I'm able to have everything in 2 bags, I usually would just carry the 2 bags and come back home. But if it's more than 2 bags, maybe like 3-4 bags, and I just can't walk back home, I would usually just call an Uber and then just Uber back home. I'm probably just gonna walk there, buy everything that I need to buy, and then Uber back. Okay guys, I just got back from Trader Joe's from grocery shopping. Let's get into what I got. I'm just gonna do a little Trader Joe's haul for y'all. So I got some eggs, some spinach, grapes, always a staple, apples of course, potatoes, some Brussels sprouts, broccoli of course, carrots, some cauliflower rice. I think this is chicken, onions, some chicken broth, salsa, brown rice, and then the last bag of stuff I got. Okay, as I said, this is the best plantain chips I can find in the US. So I always get Trader Joe's plantain chips. I usually sprinkle some pepper in it and like shake it around. Tomatoes, some avocado, tomato paste, some tortillas, black beans, kidney beans, spices. So I got some basil, some salt, then some black pepper, some of my berries for my smoothies, lemons, pesto sauce, olive oil, and butter. So that's my, oh my god, y'all, I just hit my butt. Anyways, that's my Trader Joe's haul. Now I'm gonna put these stuff away and then I'm going to start meal prepping you guys. Alright, it's meal prep time. It's about to smell delicious in here.
We were just kids, yeah. you coke. You wanted to go out, but we stayed.
Now it's time for me to relax with a glass of wine and plan my week and rest my feet.
Tell me what you got, I'll manage. Tell me what you want, you got it. All of your heart, I want it. Yeah. We was just kids, yeah. Young love. We was running, hiding, playing this game.
Alright you guys, it's time for some self-care. So I have lit some candles to get rid of this food smell in the whole apartment. Play some cool, beautiful music. I'm about to go do my skincare, you know, do some self-care. So now I'm gonna do my skincare. So y'all know when you see those Instagram ads and like you skip through them. So I saw this one and I was like, this is interesting. So when I went to get my facial, she used like steam on my face. So she like steamed my face and apparently it opens up your pores, and I've read about it and it's like good for like absorbing the things that you're putting on your face, right? So I decided to get this little humidifier, I don't even know kind of thing. So they got me with this one. I think it was like $40, so it wasn't that crazy. So I just filled it up with water right now, and I'm now meant to connect it to the socket and it's meant to start steaming. So it should work and I'm very excited about it. Oh. That's like, is it gonna be hot? Is it gonna get hot? Oh, maybe I need to put hot water in it. It's fully cold, okay. All right, so it releases the steam, but it's cold. All right, so I put some like really warm water in it, so let's try this again. Let's see. Why is it cold? Why is steam cold? This makes no sense whatsoever. Very upsetting. Cold steam is not freaking going to open up your pores. This is why, you guys, this is why you do not buy stuff from Instagram ads. Very upset. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare since this is kind of like an exfoliator slash cleanser. That's why I don't really need to cleanse my face first. I can just use it straight. It's time for my mask. Now it's time to fix up my hair for the week. So y'all know that I blew my hair out like 2 weeks ago, so it's fully basically like reverted already. But I'm just trying to keep it this way for as long as I can before I wash it. So I'm just gonna comb it out and put it back in the tie. This meal rosemary mint scalp and hair oil. I just take the little thing and just put it through my hair. I just really like the Meal brand. They're super expensive for absolutely no reason, but their products are good. Just use that and I just massage that into my scalp. All right, and then I'm just going to use my anti-humidity spray. I honestly don't know if this does anything, but I like to believe it does. Wash my face, moisturize, and I'll be done. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time. I'm going to go to bed and I feel ready and energized for the new week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Peace and strength.